Welcome to my channel, Love Linkage, where we talk about everything related to relationships and love. In today's video, we are going to be discussing a topic that is often hard to talk about, but is essential to keep a healthy and happy relationship, and that is 7 signs your partner is having an affair with someone else. We all know that being cheated on is one of the worst feelings in the world, and it can happen to anyone, even if you think you have the perfect relationship. But how do you know if your partner is cheating on you? In this video, we will be discussing 7 signs that can help you determine if your partner is cheating on you. So if you are married and have that niggling feeling in the back of your mind that something is off, or if you are just curious to learn more about the topic, keep watching. The first sign on our list is when your partner takes longer than usual to return a call or text. While some people are naturally slower at responding, it can be an indication that your partner is hiding something from you. The second sign is when your partner comes home late from work and is making extra work trips that you don't know about. While it is normal to have long working hours from time to time, being overly present at work can be a cause for concern. The third sign is when your partner takes a bath or shower as soon as they get home, even though they never used to do so before. While it may seem innocent, this could be a sign that they are hiding something from you. The fourth sign is when your partner is less affectionate and loving towards you than they used to be. While all relationships go through phases of ups and downs, being insensitive to your partner's emotions and needs is a cause for concern. The fifth sign is when your partner starts buying you presents out of nowhere without any occasion. While it may seem like a sweet gesture, it could be a way for them to deflect their guilt and emotions. The sixth sign is when your partner starts paying more attention to their appearance and self-grooming. While it is healthy to want to look your best, sudden changes can signify something more sinister. The seventh sign is when your partner avoids eye contact with you. Eyes are the windows to the soul, and avoiding eye contact may indicate that they have something to hide or are feeling guilty about their actions. Thank you for tuning in to today's video on 7 signs your partner is having an affair with someone else. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our relationship insights. Remember, love is complex, and we're here to help you navigate it. Stay tuned for more valuable content on Love Linkage. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.